Hey, I don't know what happened. It just cut off on me. But I'm continuing from my breakfast this morning. Sorry about that. It's good when you cut up onions. Onions with it, too. Y'all don't know what y'all missing. See? I don't know. Today I think I'll make it. Excuse me. Some cheeseburgers. Cheeseburgers and fries today. I'm going to taste for. Miss Light Bright. Want some nachos. I'll have to do it. I don't know. She'll never complain. She just want what she wants. As long as I make her a plate, she all good. Miss Light Bright put in her orders, her demands. So she wants some nachos. We put all that on top of there. Y'all have a pound it on top like a sandwich. Ooh, and it's just, y'all see that? Look at that. 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 Just put it all together. Y'all let me know down below who likes sunny side up egg. I'm gonna show y'all how I make this too. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Today is Sunday. I'm blessed. See another day. So I'm gonna tell y'all family I love y'all, and y'all give me some more ideas. Give me some stuff of what y'all want to see me do. I know it might seem like I'm all over the place, but I'm versatile. I like to do different things. You know, I don't like to constantly keep on doing the same thing over and over again. And it's always a mystery of what I'm going to do next. You know, it's just me. I'm just being me. And I love y'all, and y'all know y'all gonna see me later. So if you haven't subscribed to the Your Faith channel, please do so. Please comment down below. Give a thumbs up. And I'll be seeing y'all later. Peace.